Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called like a GFpatterns. Like we are going to automate a bug bounty hunting with a GFpatterns with XSS, SQLi, local file inclusion and much more things. So in this video, we would like to dive a GFpatterns, the project by the CyberTricks, a powerful collection of a JSON pattern files used for this tool to automate the detection of a common web vulnerability such as like XSS, like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, local file inclusion, server-side request forgery, remote code execution, open redirects, and much more, many other things. So, what we would like to learn in this tutorial, uh, what is GF and why it's essential for a bug bounty hunters, like how we would like to install a GF and integrate with the GF patterns, how to use a pattern matching to quickly to find a vulnerable parameters, and real world bug bounty tips using with the GF with HTTP request files. Like we would like to open the terminal first. So here it's a simple GF script is available. Now let me just try to copy this one. Let me just type here as a git clone and paste the repository. It will clone the repository. Now just go to here as a GF patterns. Now let me just type here as clear. I just type plus minus air. Now you just give a permission chmod plus x gf.sh. Quite good. If you install under the root, it's quite well and good. Now I just try install under the root. Let me just type here as clear. Now I just look here as a permissions plus minus air. Quite good. Now you just type here as bash gf.sh. Now it will try to install all the required things for the bug bounty in one shot, like for SQLis and everything. SQLi, local file inclusion, vulnerabilities, and X other things. So we would like to wait for here. Now it was installed, everything clear. Now once I type here GF, I have got it here. Now I have got here GF is like a dump, a list, and everything. Now quite good. Let me just try to exit here. Now I want to run here as under here. Now we would like to look here. I would like to put here as a nano urls.txt. Now what I supposed to do here is let me. I would like to write here as a hub.com, bugbounty.com, cdftimes.org. Then right here I try hackme.com. Then write some other things, whichever you like. Google.com. Let's just type Ctrl O, Ctrl X. Quite good. Now just type here as a cat a URLs. I would like to write here. I forget. vulnerweb.com. testphp.vulnerweb.com. Type here as Control O, Control X. Quite good. Now you just type here as cat urls.txt. Now just try to look here. Now put for GF for as access not yet found anything else. If you try to put the right then you can try here as with the SQLi. Then try to get here as a possible SQLi.txt, not get plus minus here where You can look here as I get a possible SQLi.txt. We not yet get. So I have entered the wrong type of URL patterns here. Let's we just go to here as URLs, https. I think now we can going to get here. Sometimes you need to rectify the errors, what else you have put here. Control X. Now just type here as cat urls.txt to GFR not get. Now I would like to try to get this one. Anything else? Now I would like to try here as a echo with let me just put here as a vulnerhub.com. I would like to go here as with vulnerweb.com. Then I would like to go with as a wayback URLs. Then no subdomains. Then T go to here as a urls.txt. Now it's going to print all the results here. We would like to wait here. It may take a little bit lengthy time process. In BugBounty, you need to wait with the patience. Then you can get it here. Now let's it may take more and lengthy time process. Now just type here as cat with the urls.txt. Now it was right a somewhat a list here. But we would like to wait for these results. Okay, quite good. It was written all the required information. Now once it was written here, now we would like to also look here as GF list. We have here to look here a debug logic, IDO, image traversal, interesting extension. Then JSVR, LFI, remote code execution, redirect, SQLi, SSRF, SSRI, and XSS. Now I would like to utilize this a cat.urls. So let me just type here as clear. I just put here as a cat.urls.txt. Now I would like to try here GF with as access along with the I would like to get here as a simple payload where you would like to try to get here try to get that I would like to try to get with the s equal to I would like to try to get with a URL with the I would like to get with the t with access.txt. Now I have get the vulnerabilities where you can look here vulnerable with the port account.php with ID where that is possible to exploit it with the script.com with the script tags, otherwise anything as a alert tag. Its access is possible. Quite easy way to find here with an access here. Now in this case you can also try here with the now you can try here as a SQLi Now you can also try to change here as with the SQLi. That's it. Where you can look here, uh, it's possible even for a SQL injection. That's it. So you need to test each and every individual of the URL of your targeted company or organizations. With explicit permission only you can do it. Where you can get the bounty very easily. Bug bounty is very easy if you understand the structure of the program. That's it. So try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.